Welcome ka-Quizzlers to the channel. Are you ready for another fun activity today? In this video, we will play the Press the Button challenge. We have 40 of the hardest questions and within 10 seconds each, press the button if you want it to happen to you. Before we start, be sure to subscribe to the channel to stay in the loop with other fun videos. Are you ready? Let's get started. Here's the first scenario. An hour of exercise will make you more beautiful but will also make you considerably dumber. Next scenario. You will have superpowers but you are a villain. You will gain immortality but will also suffer eternal sorrow. You will achieve celebrity status, but everyone will dislike you. Another scenario. You will have a long but lonely life. You can make anyone fall in love with you, but their love will be obsessive. You will be more talented, but suffer severe setbacks if you make a mistake. You gain friends, but you have to do something bad for them to stay. You will find your soulmate, but he or she will already be happily married with kids. You will become a Jedi, but will never watch Star Wars again. You can tell someone is lying, but your pants will catch on fire every time you lie. You will become a famous meme, but your parents will disown you. You will make a discovery for mankind but will live in isolation as a consequence. You will be able to travel back in time only once but will experience worse outcomes than the present. Another scenario. You will have one Pokemon, but it is your least favorite. You can turn into anything you want, but when you turn back no one knows you anymore. You can have unlimited wishes, but the wishes are only for others and will not benefit you. Next. You can travel in space, but you will never return to Earth. You can get any video game and you are extremely good at it, but everyone will hate you. You can date any anime character you want, but they will cheat you repeatedly. Have a phone with unlimited battery, but has a very little storage. You can control every living creature with a thought, but you lose your legs. You will be a top star in a TV show, but it will be your only show for the rest of your life. You can buy anything for free, but your family and friends will forget everything about you. You can get rid of all bad experiences in your life, but you will get nightmares every time you sleep. You can talk to and understand animals, but you can only hear them when they are rude. You will become homeless, but you will be truly happy for the rest of your life. You instantly attain wealth and fame beyond your wildest dreams, but you will forever paralyzed. Next scenario. You will become a student at Hogwarts, but you have to live in the Forbidden Forest. You will be able to see the future, but you cannot see your own. You can marry anyone in the world and never divorce, but you will have many children. You can get rid of all hunger and disease in the world, but you can never eat your favorite food again. You can enhance one of your senses, but you also have to give up one of those. You can stop time, but will also take away an hour of your life for every second it stopped. You can cure the disease of your loved one, but you will get that disease uncurable. You will become a prince or princess, but you will never see your friends again. You will be very attractive, but you have to drink your own blood every 2 years. You can wish anything you want, but you have to face your darkest fears first. You will get $1 billion, but you have to spend all of it in 1 week or you'll lose everything. Final scenario. You can cure anyone of any disease, but you can never fall in love. How many times did you press the button? Let us know in the comments. Here are other videos that you may like. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.